Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I did an order from Pickup because they had a big discount to pick up stuff from their store, 25% off for curbside delivery, for curbside pickup I mean. So I got that, and so I got a good discount off of that. I don't know if it's going to be available by the time I put this video up, but it is available right now. So this is called the You and Me bowl set. It's a 2 bowl set that it has. I got these for the rats. Let's measure this, see how big they are. I plan to use one for water and then one for food. So this is what it's going to look like. I'll show you, like I said, I got this from Petco. So you guys can get it as well from Petco if this works out for you in your cage. Also, you'll see it in my cage and see how big it is, and we'll pop it in there. You'll see my little rat setup that I have. Okay, so let's open this up. So we got the first one right here. It comes with some bubble wrap on the bottom. This is the small one. And then we got the other one right here. It's about double the size, pretty much is what it is. It's double the volume. That's what it is. That's what they said in the description. It's double the volume. So let me get the measuring tape. I'm going to measure it for you so you guys can see how big it is exactly. And this one is 225. So this one is 2... This one is 3 inches outer diameter. The outer diameter is 3 inches. And this one is 4 inches outer diameter. So we got 3 inches and we got 4 inches outer diameter. Okay? So that's pretty much what the diameter is. So let's check what this looks like inside the cage. Here's my cage over here. There's my setup right there. If you saw my other videos, I made a box for a house, so I put a box in there for them. I made another box for a house. I made another box, so I'm gonna set up some houses. There's a lot of work I got to do with it, but this is what it looks like. I got them a bed, as you can see right here from Petco. I didn't do a review on that, but it's a little mini bed, 6.5 inches. That's the little bed, 6.5 inches, so I got that as well. And that's what's gonna go on in the cage. So this is pretty much the bowls. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. I have a bowl. I have a bowl already on the bottom, and look at the size of this one compared to this one. So this one is going to be really good, so no one's going to tip it over. But I'm planning probably to put water up here, maybe in the little thing, and putting water up there, maybe. Or I don't know. I'm going to see what's up and see where they go. I'm going to put water in there. Maybe put some more food in here for them as well. And then set up a whole second shelf of food and water for them. So this way, just in case they're mad at each other, they could be separated and one can eat down here and the rest, whatever. So that's pretty much a setup. That's an update on the cage. Update on the stuff that I just bought, which was the set of the food and water bowl that I bought. And that's the You and Me set from Petco. All right, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures that I put up stuff and try to help you guys out with decision making on what you guys are going to buy. And any questions, I can help you guys out because I'll own it already for a couple of weeks by the time I get these videos up. All right, so that's it. Have a good one. Bye, everybody. Be safe.